Hello, Photoshop enthusiast. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into another exciting tutorial. And in this episode, we will be exploring the often underutilized but incredibly powerful sliced tool in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so before we jump into the integrity, let's take a moment to understand what the slice tools mean and why it's a game changer for web and UI designer. Okay, the slice tools allows you to divide your canvas into smaller sections, like each sections or each of which can be exported separately. This is particularly useful when designing website or creating assets for various platforms. Okay, now let's learn how to access the slice tools, and you need to open up your image. So here I already have the images and I want to work with this image. Okay, now let's move into the slice tools, and you can find it nested under the crop tools and the toolbars. Click over here and now you will see there, right click, and here you will see that there's the slice tools in there. Now ultimately you can use the shortcut key, like you can press the C to cycle through the crop related tool until you reach the slice tools. Okay, so now I will select this one, and it's time to into some basic slicing techniques, and I'll show you. First, I want to make it this curves at the different slides, and you can just drag in, and here we have now the slide, and there you can see is here the slides now. Now the thing is, I will also increase I'll make the several slices or divide into several sizes. So you can do by using the right click on here, and you can find there's a say that divided slice. Okay, so he click over here. Now it gives me that divided slice message box and divided slides if they are also divided horizontal into your, or you can find there you say the how many times or how many times you are dividing the or as horizontal. So you can easily use it, like for example, if I say this will be 3, and here we have this one, the 2 and 3, but the particular you can see there are 1, 2, 4 base, because we used to have 4. Like if I say this will be 2, and here we have selected the 2. Okay, so this way you can easily divide and in the several slides or multiply slides in your Photoshop. And now hit on the OK. So here we have the slides in different. Now if I go to the file tabs and use the export, and let me choose the save or for the web, and I'll select this one. Now you can see we have the few slices in there, and you can easily select what we want to do, like save it. Like you can easily highlight it by selecting or hold the shift key, and if you can select the multiple slices, like here if I select this one, and I will also use the outside of this slide, and I want to use this slide, then the time is you can shape it or by using the done. Now you can make it the save. Okay, so this way you can work through with the slice and also the solidify our understanding, and let's apply, and we can just use this one in our real world. Okay, so and there you have it. And before we can close it, you need to save it. So where do you want to save it? By selecting, and here like you can use the format as let image only, whatever. You can use the default settings like slice. You also use the slices, and slice you can also use the selected slice, and when you are selected slice it will be safe or give the only selected slice, and there. Okay, so you can get this one into your desktop where I save it to the slide tools in Photoshop. Now Photoshop is a versatile tool, some features that significantly streamline your workflow, especially when dealing with the web and UI designs. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.